23 high-end small household appliances that you have to buy without eating or drinking. The homework usually sent by the teacher directly on your phone. Put the A for paper and start printing. There are also various templates. This function of erasing notes with one click is very easy to use. This is transfer technology. Is very clear. Save money and be environmentally friendly. 22. This health pod is too beautiful. The small capacity is very good for the office. I usually stay up late at work. I didn't expect there to be many functions. To tremella soup when you're not busy. You can add delicious to cook over a warm convenient fire. For both home 21 went on a trip to Germany. It doesn't need to be fitted directly on the wall. It goes out when in this way. You don't need to turn on the light when you wake up at night to drink water. It will automatically light up when you wake up. No more searching for a toilet in the dark at night. The function is also much better than the previous one. Doesn't stick to the medium fire precise temperature control. Follow the menu above. A delicious meal can be prepared into 2 buns in the morning. Baked pizza served in 5 to 7 minutes. And barbecue. 19 I really didn't One day doing housework can be so electric easy. Cleaning brush is a The nylon faucet is used to clean the oil stains. The sponge brush head does not brush the pot. Even if you are lazy, you can use it to brush your shoes. 18 people. The kitchen should be equipped with a detergent machine like this. There is a charging port on the back for a long time on a single bottle mouth. Sensitive. There is no problem with sensing at such a high frequency of the 2 gears. 17 rice cookers, smaller than a bowl. How convenient is it? Marked water level. Shellby can also cook rice. After the tea is cooked, it can be used as a bowl directly. Use it to cook porridge. Never order takeout again. Electricity is inconvenient. This one and got interest. USB wireless model. It's a slim design. In this way, it is also convenient to get electricity in the wash their underwear and socks by hand. Put in the change of underwear and socks. Fold it up and it doesn't take up space at all. 14th place. 13 made me find a good face. A mini humidifier with I turned on the button strength and was pleasantly surprised. There is a single spray and a double spray. I like where he wants to mention it because he is a charging model. I usually put it on the desk to do homework for my baby. It is very nice to put the bedside to replenish water at night. Wear shoes. His 2 columns can blow warm air 360 The freshly washed shoes can dry in an hour. Think before you go longer afraid of winter shoes being cold. 11 spoons are weighed above. This box is too smart. Something according to the recipe in the quantity. There is also a one-click peeling function. Very convenient to take it apart and clean it. Number 10. This little guy's a little bit high-tech. Various bottled water. Press the switch to automatically start the water by USB. If you can't drink it, it can be used in the company dormitory at home. A filling suit like this, I use this ball machine before I go out. This graded version shaves quickly. The mesh is also encrypted. Each place you want to drink hot water is hot water. Ouch. It's so dirty. I went out with this kettle. The cap is screwed directly onto his water bottle. Directly onto the top. Do you want to switch any temperature? You don't need to wait. You click it out and it is the temperature you can really prepare one. This is my brother's magic shawl. I'm kidding. This is a shawl that keeps really warm in the air conditioning over your body like a little heater. Zip it up and it's a shawl. It won't fall off no matter how much it shakes. Another electric You can also warm your legs and knees. Up to 55 degrees doesn't matter Celsius. If it's cooling north now. The material of this knitted jacquard you can directly throw it into the washing machine and wash it. You can try this not only non-slip, but also plug in the electricity and you can directly heat it very fast. If you are tired of playing, you can lie on it and sleep. Doesn't like to drink sure to buy this thermostatic coaster. Warm without burning your mouth. It doesn't pick all kinds of materials can be heated on. You can order bread, milk, or something one in the office. The 4th place is so it big. Can heat a room of 20 to 30 square meters. This is a very power-saving mini heater. Very convenient to use. The temperature can be adjusted at will. Speed is also fast. The house is warm all winter. Never have to turn on the air conditioner again. Just throw it away. Plug it back and forth on the phone charging hole to cause the charging hole to break. All mobile phones work. Just put it on it, and it's also a phone holder. The most important thing is that it's not great to follow dramas and watch movies. Be sure to buy a sterilized punching installation. Put the spoon in. One-click start disinfection. There is also a sterilization at the bottom. The first place usually likes to be sure to prepare a mandarin. A large capacity of 6 ounces is still a non-stick wine at the same time. Everyone's taste can be taken care of really fast. Add your favorite side dishes. No need to queue. Fragrant hot pot.